Hi, welcome to our channel. 2023 Bentley Bentayga EWB review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros: incredible luxury and craftsmanship, powerful engine and quick acceleration, legitimate off-road capability. Cons: optional equipment is very expensive. Standard rear bench seat is a bit flat and plain. No third row option as in a standard Bentayga. What's new? New extended wheelbase version debuts with 7 more inches of room. Twin-turbo V8 is the only powertrain available. Part of the first Bentayga generation introduced for 2017. The prices: MSRP range $226,900 to $263,500. Overview: the Bentayga SUV has been an unqualified success for Bentley, emerging as the automaker's best-selling vehicle. We love it too. After a significant refresh in 2021, the Bentayga rose to the No. 2 slot in our list of the best super luxury SUVs thanks to its exceptional comfort, blistering performance, and impeccable interior materials and design. The Bentayga doesn't really have many faults, though we will admit it doesn't have the enormously spacious interior that you'll find in the Flying Spur or the old Mulsanne. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.